In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote Temu products on Pinterest effectively. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it helps me create more content for you. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open Pinterest on your laptop. If you're familiar with Pinterest, you'll know how visual this platform is, which makes it a great place to promote products. Whether you're a seasoned Pinterest user or a newbie, navigating the platform is quite straightforward. So once you've got Pinterest opened up, take a moment to admire all those beautiful images and designs. Next, it's time to sign in to your business account. This step is crucial because a business account offers you valuable tools and analytics that can help you gauge the performance of your pins. If you don't already have a business account, I encourage you to set one up. It's free, and it will give you access to advanced features that can boost your promotional efforts. Just enter your credentials, and you're in. Once you're logged in, let's create a new pin featuring the Temu product you want to promote. Look for the plus sign or the Create button, usually positioned near the top of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to the pin creation screen, where the fun really begins. This screen is where you'll showcase that incredible product you're excited about. Now, it's time to upload your product image or video. Make sure the visuals are high quality, because first impressions matter. A stunning image or an engaging video can grab someone's attention and encourage them to learn more about the product. Simply drag and drop your file into the designated area or click to upload it. Once you've uploaded your image or video, it's important to add a clear title and description. In your title, you want to be specific and enticing. Think about what would make someone stop scrolling to take notice. The description should provide a brief overview of the product, highlighting its key features or benefits. This is where you can really persuade potential customers to check out Temu. Use keywords that people might use when searching for products like yours to enhance visibility. After adding the title and description, the next step is to add the appropriate destination link. This is where users will be directed when they click on your pin, so make sure it's the correct link to the product on Temu's website. If you're part of an affiliate program, this link might also be an affiliate link, allowing you to earn a commission for any sales generated through your pin. As you're filling out the details, it's crucial to clearly disclose that the content contains an affiliate or commercial relationship. Transparency is key in building trust with your audience. You can add a simple note within your description stating that this post includes affiliate links if applicable, so your viewers are informed about your promotional intent. Now, let's pick the right board for your pin. Selecting a relevant board will help categorize your content and make it easier for users interested in similar topics to find it. Click on the drop-down menu where it says Select a Board and choose one that best aligns with the product you're promoting. Before we hit that all-important Publish button, it's a good idea to review the pin. Take a final look to ensure that everything looks good. The image, title, description, the link, and board selection all need to be perfect. This last-minute check can save you from potential mistakes that could affect your pin's performance. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything appears, go ahead and click Publish. That's it! You've now created an engaging pin to promote Temu products on Pinterest. Remember, promoting products is not just about sharing them. It's about engaging with your audience and providing valuable content. I hope you find this guide easy to follow, and I'm excited for you to start making the most out of Pinterest for your promotion efforts. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found this helpful.